you tired of the hustle and bustle of your 9 to 5 job and living from paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of making $500 a day to live life on your terms? Or maybe even more? Well, good thing you found this video! Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In this video, we are going to give you 5 passive income ideas you can do to help you generate $500 or maybe more passively. Because who doesn't want extra cash, right? So if you're ready to make $500 without breaking a sweat, without further ado, let's start the video. Number 1. Work as an influencer or a UGC creator. Who here have dreams of becoming an influencer? Well, maybe you've got to stop dreaming and start acting now. Love makeup? Gaming? A day in your lives? Do it! As an influencer, you have the power to make $500 per gig. And if you do well, you can earn more. The big challenge is, there are a lot of influencers already making the market highly competitive. There are several types of influencers out there, and the right one for you depends on your target audience, niche, and interests. There are certain types of influencers, like those celebrities because of showbiz who are regularly contacted to promote products. Some macro influencers are famous for their broad reach. They can be compensated for sponsored posts and have large social media followings. Even though they don't have as many followers as macro influencers, micro influencers are nevertheless significant in their area or audience. Lastly, brand ambassadors are a terrific approach to developing an audience since they provide real experiences with things they have personally tested. And of course, there are also UGC creators who create authentic videos based on their perspective of their socials. And the best part, you don't need a huge amount of followers to start. So, there's no excuse not to do it. It takes constant outreach and the capacity to build a devoted following to become an influencer. You will need to figure out how to differentiate the content from the crowd or tell a compelling story. Choosing the appropriate niche, utilizing top-notch photos, and interacting with your fans daily are some success strategies. In any case, being an influencer is not a quick rich scheme, but it can be incredibly rewarding financially and creatively if you are willing to put in the time and effort needed to succeed. Number 2. Become a freelance writer. Do you love writing? Do you have that magic way with words? If yes, then becoming a freelance writer may be the perfect way for you to earn money. But what exactly is freelance writing? It's simple. Freelance writing is when you write for various publications, companies, or websites on a per project or per article basis. There are a multitude of freelance writing opportunities available, ranging from technical writing to creative writing. Starting a freelance writing career doesn't have to be as difficult as it seems. Finding your writing specialty and style of comfort writing should be your top priority. After that, create a portfolio of your writing samples to demonstrate your abilities. Present yourself to possible clients once you have a portfolio. Establishing a successful freelance writing job requires networking and developing relationships with clients. To be successful as a freelance writer, you should also focus on honing your writing skills. This can be achieved by reading books or taking writing courses. Additionally, you should also stay up to date on the latest trends and news in the industry you are writing about. So, what are you waiting for? Start your freelance writing journey today. Number 3. Monetize a high-traffic website. So, you have a website that gets a lot of traffic. What about your socials? Instagram, TikTok. Congrats! Now it's time to figure out how to make some cold hard cash from all those eyeballs. One of the best ways to do this is by monetizing your website. But how exactly do you go about doing that? Well, let's dive into some options, shall we? Consider starting a digital goods business to get things started. Is there any reason not to sell your excellent online course or ebook on your website? In this manner, you can launch your own online business and begin earning revenue. Now, don't worry if you think that making your products would be a little too much work. Selling affiliate branded goods is an additional choice. Place an affiliate link on your website, choose some great products that complement its theme, and watch the money come in. But wait, there's more! You can also accept sponsorships from businesses or bloggers. If your website has a strong following, companies will be lining up to give you oodles of cash in exchange for a little shout out on your site. And finally, my favorite option: earning a commission through affiliate offers. Just recommend products or services to your readers and earn a cut of the sales. It's like being a matchmaker, but for money. This takes time and effort, but the money you'll get is very worth it with just a splash of creativity and hard work. Number 4. Start a service-based arbitrage business. Another profitable strategy to earn a passive income is to launch a service-based arbitrage company. So, let's define service arbitrage first. This is a business strategy where a service is purchased at a discount from one supplier and subsequently sold to a different customer for a premium. In essence, you're serving as a middleman for two people who need what you can offer. One of the benefits of this business model is that you don't need to be an expert in any particular field. You just need to be organized, offer exceptional customer service, and ensure that the final product is delivered on time. This means you can provide services like graphic design, coding, or web development even if you don't have the skills yourself. To get started with your service-based arbitrage business, it's important to conduct thorough research to determine which services to offer. Once you've identified your services, reach out to providers who offer competitive prices and start building a network. When you have a strong network, you can begin reaching out to potential clients and start making money. One of the benefits of service-based arbitrage is the scalability of the business. Since you're not doing the actual work yourself, you can take on more clients and grow your business without increasing your workload. Ultimately, the success of your service-based arbitrage business depends on your ability to find clients and provide exceptional customer service. Number 5. Rent out a space in your home. Last but not the least is renting out a space in your home. This doesn't require too much effort, so it might be the perfect idea yet. You can do long-term renting, which means signing a lease with a renter who wants to use your place for a longer period, possibly several months or even years. With this option, you may avoid the headache of constantly looking for new tenants and guarantee a steady flow of cash. However, it also suggests that there will be little room for modification of the rental amount or terms of the lease until the end of the lease period. On the other hand, short-term renting involves renting out your room on platforms like Airbnb for a few nights or weeks at a time. This allows you to charge a higher price per night, but it also requires you to put in more effort in managing the cleaning and guest check-in process. Just make sure that whatever it is that you prefer, make sure that the place is comfortable, clean, and well-maintained. In addition, make sure to set clear expectations with your guests from the get-go. This may involve specifying house rules, check-in and check-out times, and terms of payment. Well then, there you have it. 5 easy passive income ideas you can start as soon as this video ends. Start small and scale up as you gain more experience and knowledge, and you'll be on your way to achieving $500 a day in no time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.